Can I tell if someone has read my message but is ignoring me on WhatsApp?
Hello viewers. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common concern when using the popular messaging app, WhatsApp. Have you ever wondered whether someone has read your message but is choosing to ignore it? Well, we'll help you figure that out by understanding how WhatsApp's Read Receipts feature works.
What are WhatsApp read receipts?
The first thing you need to know is what exactly are WhatsApp Read Receipts. These are the tiny ticks that appear next to your message after you send it. They serve as indicators and change colors based on the status of your message. One gray tick means the message has been sent from your device. Two gray ticks mean the message has been delivered to the recipient's device. Two blue ticks mean the recipient has opened the app and seen the message.
Can the read receipts feature be turned off?
Yes, the Read Receipts feature can indeed be turned off in WhatsApp's privacy settings. If someone has turned off their read receipts, you will no longer see the blue ticks even if they have read your message. However, the two gray ticks indicating message delivery will still appear. This feature doesn't apply to group chats. You will see read receipts even if individual members have them turned off.
What about last seen and online status?
The last seen and online statuses can also give you a clue about whether your message might have been read. Online means the person is currently using WhatsApp, while last seen shows the last time they opened the app. However, these features can also be adjusted in the privacy settings, and the user can choose to hide them.
So, how can I tell if I'm being ignored?
Here's the hard truth. Unless their read receipts are turned on, there's no foolproof way to tell if someone is ignoring your message on WhatsApp. However, if you see them online or their last seen status updates after you've sent a message, it's possible they've seen your message but have chosen not to respond yet. In conclusion, WhatsApp offers several indicators to show if a message has been read. However, these features can be modified in privacy settings, making it tricky to know for sure if someone is ignoring your message. It's always best to remember that people may not always be able to respond immediately, so give them some time. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding WhatsApp Read Receipts. Stay connected, and happy messaging!